Hey guys, welcome back to the world of coding. So in this video we will create the project on the basis of a story. So the story is that you are a mayor of a society, and in the society you have to create city buildings, and you have to do it. So we will code on the basis of this story. So let us first take a look on the design. So in the design I have a slider. The minimum value and the maximum value is of your choice. Minimum value should be 0 and the maximum value could be 100, 150 or 200 based on what the height of buildings you want, the maximum height. Okay. Now I have a image of left and right arrow key, and on each arrow key I have two labels. On the left arrow key I have label left, and on right arrow key I have label right. I also have an image of pencil. So now let us take a look on the code. So the main thing to do here is, the main code to use here is functions. So what is functions? It is necessary to understand. Function is a small program that performs a specific task. Functions are written once and they can be coded or called repeatedly. So now let us start with our project. So first I'll go to turtles and take the show block. And so when I click on run, a turtle means a shape like our arrow key like this appears. See, this shape has appeared. Now I will go to UI controls and take on event, click on event button. Okay, select here label left click. Then again go to turtles and click the and take the show button. Then go to turtles and pick up the pen up block. So pen up means the turtle, when the turtle moves, it doesn't form any line or any arrow or any shape. And pen down means it forms the turtle starts drawing if it moves. And then take move x and y. Set the x to -10 and y to 0. Now again go to UI controls. Now we will code for the label right. It is same, just what we have to do is, instead of move -10, we will take 10 so that it moves right. We have put the y value to 0 because if we put it above 0, the turtle will move upwards also. So now let us code for the image pencil. If we click the image pencil, what happens? So again go to turtles and take pen up, not pen up, because here when the pencil is clicked, the turtle should draw. So we will click pen down and then we will select pen RGB, and then go to maths, and each of these put random number block, and the value should be 10 and 100. In each the value should be 10 and 100. So now we will again go to the turtles, and from there we will select the pen width. It could be any. Okay, it's your choice, 1, 3 or 5. 1 will be so light that it would be not able to see. Now it's the time for our functions. First, take this third block and name it the function you want. Now we will code for the function. and our function name will be rectangle. You can name it and you want. Okay, but keep in mind that the spellings of your function should be same, otherwise it will not be made. Now we will take move forward and turn right. So these blocks are to form a rectangle. We will move forward, turn right, then again move forward, then again turn right. And after this we will take the hide one. So the turtle should hide after creating every rectangle. So in the first and the fourth move forward, say 1 2 3, and in this fifth move forward and the first move forward, we will take get number slider 1. And this is all the code for this project. So let's check it. When I click on right arrow, it moves right, and when I click on left arrow, it moves left. And when I click on this pencil, what happened? Oh, I said you that the spelling should be same, so I have here by mistake added this. Now it is correct. Now when I click on run, right arrow, it moves right, left it moves left. When I click on draw, see it draws. Now when I increase the slider, and when I click on this, it makes a bigger. And you can also see that the color is also changing. And this is all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. So bye, thank you.